Hello, welcome to the stream. You can hear me now. So, hopefully the music's not too loud, hopefully the microphone's okay, hopefully the video's okay, hopefully the green screen is kind of okay. Don't know what's going on with my hands there, but there you go. I hope you've all had a great weekend. Great weekend? No, how about a great week? The start of a stream is always probably the most difficult part of a stream. Wow, that was a big chunk of dead air. Okay, so on the last stream, or a couple of streams, I've been working on a chatbot for my stream. Just gonna get rid of something to stop me. I'll leave that on. There we go, I can see now. A little bit later we'll talk about the green screen update. So if you hopefully type alive, in the last stream I changed the chatbot. Its name is now Johnny5Bot, because I seem to be getting a Johnny number 5 theme going on. Hey Agent Coda, how are you doing? It's good. I was just saying I find the start of a stream the most difficult part of streaming. But no, other than that, it's good. Bit of a hectic week in work this week, hectic week in work next week. Bit of a hectic weekend, but it's all good. It's all good. I was just saying I've been working on building a bot. His name is Johnny5Bot, and if we type alive in the chat, why didn't he work? Why is it between streams that everything just breaks? It's even signed in and everything. Oh, great bot. I know, yeah. Hello, Mr. Demon Wolf. Thank you for joining. Lol. It's probably because. Is it because I started? Oh, I don't know why it's not working. Typical lol. Yeah, indeed. He's not saying hello though, is he? He should be saying hello in the chat room, and he's not. Why is that? I wonder. No, he definitely didn't say hello. God damn you, bot! Well, there you go. It's good to have a reliable bot, isn't it? There you go. Did you guys hear him say Johnny number 5's live? Because I didn't. Ooh, I'm not hearing sounds. The streaming monarchy. There's always something that quite doesn't work. So did you guys hear him say Johnny number 5's live then? Or not? And the other thing he should do is if I type that in, he should. The music is there. So you didn't hear. So my sounds are messed up. Why are my sounds messed up? I wonder. You see, I did a really YOLO thing before I started streaming. I updated their OBS because there's an update. So if we put that in the chat. Ah, that worked. Thanks for the link. It appears to be family friendly. Now, if we were to put something else a bit more naughty in there. Now, I don't know whether Nightbot might get in the way of this one, but we'll try it. There you go. He doesn't think that's friendly. And I'm using a Microsoft. Oh my god. What's the oh my god for? Naughty, indeed. But it was just to prove the point that he caught it. Why is that not good form to put that in a stream? How else do I test it? Can I delete my own? You see, Agent Cody, you've made me unconscious now. Yeah. I didn't share it. Well, I didn't mean to share it. I was trying to demonstrate the bot. Finding it, but I've got no control over this shit. You're making me unconscious. I'll just turn the heating down because I'm hot. But if you've got any naughty links you want to put in there, you can try. Oh, what's happened there? Automod held a mesh of sexual porn. It only works on links at the moment, Mr. Demon Wolf. This is the thing, I don't think I can. I haven't got control over it. I haven't found a way yet of hiding the links. But yeah, that would be the ideal, wouldn't it? I did look at that, but I haven't found it do it yet, and a way to do it. I think on the last stream or the stream before we had a little look, and you have to be partner to get that control, but I'm not sure. Shall we switch over to this view? Because you really don't want to see this big head, do you? There we go. It's easy to do. Do tell. Because that would be awesome if I could do that. Twitch lib hide links in chat. Oh. Oh. So I just delete the message if I don't like it. Ooh. Should we try it? I also need to do a proper secrets file for this, which I've not done yet. On the last stream, we spent some time trying to figure out how to play it. I'm not playing the sound files. None of those are playing, are they? Gotta love it when your stream doesn't work. Easy clap. We will dig into this and see whether we can get it to delete the link. That would be awesome. Why is my sound not working for the... Oh man. Ah, well that's wrong.
Malfunction. Need input. Malfunction. Need input.
uh, it's my my poor understanding of regular expressions. I think I've messed it up. Yeah, at the moment it needs the HTTPS or HTTP in front of it. Oh, it's not running. Lol. It's running on my local machine at the moment, nowhere else. Too soon. There you go. There you go. There you go. He's okayed it. So it's checking the URL, Mr. Demon Wolf, using a Microsoft Cognitive Services called. I'm not sure whether you've been here for the last two streams or not. So it's called Preview. Wow, can't type. It's been a long week. There you go. So I'm using this. So all you literally do is passing the URL to it, and it comes back with the information of what it is, whether it's a web page, JPEG, or whatever. Yeah, website's pretty cool. Is that like a 3D scan of you? Because how did you do the 3D scan? Is that on a Kinect or something? Coda Beard, evening. Nope. Is that not you then? I assumed it was you. Oh, you photoshopped it. Okay, so get rid of that a second, minimize that. I was trying to fix my sounds, wasn't I? Why does my sound work on me? Oh, it's yeah. Right, okay, let me explain. If I bring this on stream, so OBS and Stream Elements lets you put everything in the stream, and when I click a link in here, it opens up in this window. So that's, so I don't know what browser it's using, but I'm assuming it's using its own rendering. It could be Chrome, it could be anything. I don't particularly like it. I would prefer it to open in Chrome. I still want to know why my sounds don't work. Settings, audio, speakers. Oh, is it the other way around? Let me know if we lose audio because I'm messing with my audio settings.
Malfunction. Need input.
What's going on? Do I hear anything? Lima. Hello, welcome. Thank you for
Martes Live is now following.
The Martes Live. Thank you for the follow. I can't hear anything. My stream element isn't playing. I'm just trying to fix it. So I need to just cut that. Oh, thanks for the host, Mr. Demon Wolf. Awesome. Stream Deck, that's what I want. And I want to, I just want to see.
Number 5
Wow.
is a
Oh, is it? It is playing on the stream. I didn't think it was playing on the stream, Coded Beard. Thank you for letting me know that. So if you type ping alive, does that play in the chat? Hey, Mike Jolly. You've been here before, Mike.
Number 5 is alive.
You see, that came out of my desktop speakers rather than my earphones. That's okay, Mike. No worries. My streams are very chillaxed. It's pretty much people telling me how to program, which is awesome. And me fumbling my way through it. Lurk, Agent Coder. Okay, Agent Coder, no problem. Developers Garage, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Hello. Did you check the source? Yeah, I thought I had. I was going to check it in Stream Deck. I don't know what. I don't think I've got much control of the Stream Deck. If I tend to mumble on stream, tell me off, because sometimes I end up just mumbling. Yeah. Thanks for joining Codeman Codes, but that's fine. Family comes first. That's no problem. Hey, Robert Tables, thanks for joining.
Giginongime is now following.
Gigiomi is now following. Do you think sometimes people choose names to make it harder for the streamers to stream? Yeah, definitely good luck. Did you say cheer competition? I missed the competition bit, sorry. Yeah. Why don't I see anyone in chat? What do you mean you don't see anyone in chat? It's an Italian name. I apologise. I didn't mean any offence. I just it's more me. I'm having a go at. I struggle saying the names. So apologies. Awesome, thank you. I'm trying to work out why my sound is not coming through my headsets. Only me. Shall I click on it? See what it does? Live on stream. Oh, that's weird. The Nationals. You pay, cheer and drive. Yeah, I can imagine it's more of a mother-daughter thing. But yeah, I'm sure she'll do well. My nieces cheer. I always see it as American thing, but it's been imported to the UK. Right, sound settings. Excuse me. Audio. Did you guys hear that on stream then? Because if you did, I fixed my problem. It's at the beach, which is nice, but during the winter, which is not nice. Yeah. Didn't hear anything. Oh man. No joy on sound, no. But you're all hearing me okay though, aren't you? Yep. No, I'm not. I was using what's it called? The Banana Mixer software, but I ripped it all out when I had loads of audio problems. Okay. I did used to use it, but I've ripped it out. I got rid of it. But I'm not seeing the. I'm hearing it, but I'm not seeing it on the in OBS when I. Okay, Coben, good luck. Thanks for dropping by. The good old reboot. Can't really do that when you're streaming. You hear something, but it's really low. Interesting. Man, that's frustrating. However, not as frustrating as Robert Table's stream last night. Yeah. I was feeling for you, man. I was feeling for you big time. Indeed. He lost power midstream, just as he started. It was rough. Is your keyboard toasted, Robert? Can you not reflash it or anything? Da, 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 da. Wow. Yeah. I'm sure it won't be dead, will it? Because is it self-built, that keyboard? Hey, Mike, thanks for the subscription, man. Much appreciated. I just played you a Yabba Dabba Doo. Whether you heard it or not, I don't know. Sorry, guys. I'm being a bit distracted, aren't I, by this whole audio issue. It's annoying me, though. Gotta have the Johnny 5. Yay! I've noticed, even though I've got the tablet up here, it's too high. So what I'm doing is I'm looking at the stream on my other monitor. I know. Thanks, Robert. I always want to call you David now I know that's your name. But I presume you prefer Robert on stream. But yeah, thanks. Yeah. Who was it who suggested to remove a link from the chat? The Martis Live, was it? Either or, you don't mind. Okay, cool. I was never sure. So apparently, if I... Whoa. So I can clear the message in chat. So does this library have... I'm just going to jump in. I'm not going to worry about the sound at the moment. Yes, Mike, I am using the chat above the monitor. Let's get the show and tell camera on. Oh, I have a whole green screen story to tell you about the Elgato. Oh, we're having a raid from Instafluff. Excellent, with 49 viewers. Here we go. Crazy raid. With 55 viewers now. Holy mo, it's a fluffy raid. It's a fluffy raid. Fluffy. I can't remember the dance Fluffy does. Is this the dance Fluffy does? And another Jubilee. Another 2 raids on the hop. What's happening? It's gone crazy. Whoa! Yeah, that's insane. Thanks for the raids, people. Holy moly, it's gone crazy. I think that's Insta's dance, isn't it? Ah, you were working on a cookbook together. Awesome. Welcome, everybody. Thank you for joining. Why delete the raid? I didn't. Not intentionally, anyway. It might have been one of the bots. That MS Gamer. Thanks for the follow. Tirono. Excellent. Wow, I think that's my most insane raid yet. Yeah, there is a lot of things going on. Thanks for the... Thanks, man. Dutch Gamer 46, thanks for the follow. It's got insane. Julie 22 following, thank you very much. Do we need some... That's what's just happened to the stream. No worries, Instafluff. Thanks for the raid. The mug recipes and stuff. No problem. 100 plus views, Julie 22. Yeah, thanks. Awesome. That should go now. Whoa, that was insane. Whew. I think Mike Jolly, if he's still if he's still around, I was about to show you the what I've done for the chat room, which is why when they raided. Hey, talk to me, Gooseman. So what I've got is below this main camera, I've put a tablet. Wow, I did a bad show showing that, didn't I? So I've put a tablet with the chat room on. The only problem with it's, as of tonight, I've discovered it's probably a little bit too high, or I need to be sitting higher. So yeah, I tried to do that. So I looked at camera when I was talking to chat. But the green screen issue, I ordered 2 weeks ago an Elgato green screen because, for those of you who haven't been here before, if we just switch the eyes only a second, I've got a green sheet with holes in. So Robert Tables, let's give a shout out for Robert Tables. And give a shout out for Lee Mike the Jolly. Why are you in black and why are you black and white? What do you mean? Do you mean the theme? It's just the theme I picked up. It's just the one I like the most. If that's what you meant. So yeah, the green screen. Holy, I ordered an Elgato one 2 weeks ago. Thanks for the shout out for the setup. Thanks, H Encoder. Yeah, the green screen. When I use the green screen, I become black and white. Am I? Is it just my top? I don't think my top's coming out on camera very well. I've just turned another light on. Probably gone too bright now. It's coming along well. Drawing suddenly go 108. I'm not sure what you're referring to there. But I ordered an Elgato green screen. I will get this out 2 weeks ago from Amazon, and it just wasn't. It was meant to be delivered today. I was hoping to be using it tonight, and it hasn't been delivered. Got an email off Amazon this morning to say it's been cancelled, and I'm not getting it. So then I ordered it from another company in the UK, who said they could get it to me tomorrow. So I ordered it, and they took the money. And as we know, they're not particularly cheap. And then they emailed me to say I won't get it tomorrow because the place you can get. I'm sure you can do this in the UK, in other countries, but in the UK you can get things delivered to stores. So that's what I did to get the Saturday delivery. And I got an email to say it was too big to go to that store. So I asked to get it delivered to work. And then I didn't hear anything. And then I rang them, and it's not coming until Tuesday now. So getting the Elgato green screen has been a chore, to say the least. Am I using Intellect Reach app for my bot? I'm going to answer that question the best I can. I'm using the Twitch library, which was on GitHub. Just paint the room green. You know what? I've been tempted. However, I did think to myself, number one, it's a lot of work. Number two, if I move the room round or I move location in the house where I have my office, then I want the green screen to be able to follow me. So, and then there is the possibility that yeah, I thought it did, Mike Jolly. I wasn't 100% sure, but I thought it did. Paint the house green. Wow. Make it disappear. I'm full of solutions today. You are. Absolutely full of solutions. I've got a cable stretched across my monitor. Wow. Well, that was an insane raid. thank you for those who raided, and thank you for the raidees who've stayed behind. Nice and resourceful. Wow, that was crazy. So what I was just about to try is to... The bot's not running at the moment. The bot's only running on my PC. And I was going to try and... We want to delete the naughty link, if we think it's a naughty link. Oh. Insta stuff. Thank you for the subscription. Oh, Mike DeJolly, what you? Thank you very much. Mike, thank you so much. Mike, you're being too kind. Thank you. Holy moly. All those new subscribers can get the bots. Get the Johnny 5 bot. How many was that, Mike? Thanks, Robert. I have no idea what's happening, but thanks. Did you just do 10? I can't do me yabba dabba do, it's not working. Oh wow. Holy moly, Mike. How many did you give away? Yeah, Robert. What's going on? Boom. Okay, that's got to be it now. Oh. Thank you for the follow. Yes. The Johnny 5 is the bot I'm working on now. Developers Garage. Yabba dabba do. Are you guys hearing the sound effects? I just don't know. Holy moly, that's just gone crazy. Robert, yeah, this is amazing. This is awesome. Thank you so much. Oh man. Sound isn't working today. I don't know what's going on. No sound effects. It's so frustrating. You can hear it faintly. Is it the stream deck? The one time I really needed to use it. No music either, Chris. Yeah, you should be able to hear the music. Something weird's going on. Hey Chris, thanks. Not very much at the moment, the bot at the moment. I only started it on the last stream or two. But at the moment it's using a Microsoft, what do they call it? Cognitive Services. This is actually a Cognitive Services Labs. So this could go away, hopefully it won't. But all you do is you give it a link and then it comes back with information about that link. So what type, so if that was a JPEG. Yeah, Agent Code, I'm going to get onto that in a second. Very quiet. Wow, what is going on? Let's try and fix the sound. Where's the Stream Deck software's gone? Robert. Yes, Robert, absolutely. I will hold. Yeah, Mike Jolly, very, very, very generous. Thank you for that. Yes. Basically, yeah. Sorry, I'm not too sure how to pronounce your name. Is it Shirak Laurel? Was that right? Sorry. I'm terrible pronouncing names. Yeah, Mike, but that was so generous, Mike. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Mike, I think you've actually just pushed me over to having more emotes as well. So thanks for that. When they arrive, the stickers of the when the stickers arrive of the bot, I will send you some. I need the other 10. So yeah. Okay. I might just call you CL. Is that cheating? Right, where's the volume on these things? Hey, Robert Tables with 1,000 bits. Holy moly, what's going on this evening? Thank you so much. Boom. Wow. Thanks, Robert. That's awesome. Oh. As a streamer, when these kind of things happen, it takes you aback a little bit. No, we're not going to get anything done. I am trying. with all the love and all the raids and the sound not working, we're not going to get anything done, are we? I'm going to turn that up. I think me and Robert Tables got some of our emotes from... well, I paid for mine from the Project Now. Is it payday already for American cousins? Lots of love, friends. Yeah, absolutely, Age Coder. Yeah, thanks, Robert. The Noun Project. Yeah. Oh, you got both of yours from there. I thought you had one. Did you get one slightly designed? What the heck? Did you not get your heck one slightly? Let's get it in this chat room. This is turning it into more of a chat stream than a... Wow, why am I... What's... Oh, God. There you go. Robert's actually done it. This plugin doesn't work all that well. I should have done it over here, because that will work. There you go. So there's Robert's, there's mine, C Sharp Fritz, Dev Chatter. Carry customized this sheet. Right, okay. Yeah, so mine was on there as well. That's where I got mine from, and I bought it from there. Mike, you really have made my day. Wait till I tell Ethan on Sunday. Right, okay. Now that's really loud for me. Did you guys hear that at all? I'm not seeing it in OBS. No, it's not working, is it? I've got my desktop audio in OBS set to default, my mic set to default. I do have two audio devices though for some reason, I don't know why. Why disable that one? Might lose sound altogether here. Anyone got any suggestions why OBS wouldn't be playing my desktop sounds? Because you're not hearing the music either, are you? And I am. Ah. Only feeding the monitor, maybe different sound source. Well, I'll show you what I've got. I don't know what I've changed, so it's on default for that. OBS she's desktop and... Oh, okay. That's what I thought. This is insane, doing this live on stream. And then the mic is set to default. Let me know if anything goes wrong. You heard music! Yay! Yay!
Malfunction.
Did you hear that? Hello?
Malfunction.
Malfunction, and then your stream deck. I hear Johnny 5. Excellent. Yabba dabba doo. Whoa. Ha. Yabba dabba doo! There we go. Yeah, it's my fault. It's because I've literally reset everything up. I'm not fully tested properly, so it's my fault. It's my bad. It's my bad. Wowzers. Okay. So, wow, we're an hour in the stream already. Mics are still up. No music, though. Still. I thought we said we heard music. Quiet song. Yeah. I can hear it, yeah. No, we can hear it. It's just quiet. Yeah, I haven't got it on very loud. Oh. Misclick. How's that? Betterer? Is that a word? Betterer? Yabba dabba doo! Instafluff, thank you for the raids. Excellent. The raids were completely exploded the stream. Better Right, I've just turned it down on my headset, so hopefully it hasn't turned it down for you guys. Wowzers. Anyway, should we actually try and do a bit of coding? 9. Asian cola lol. Better new word by Rambling Geek. Yep, put it in the dictionary. So, Mike, were you happy with my explanation of this screen above my monitor? Because we were in the middle of talking about that before, and then the whole amazing raid from Instafluff happened. Oh, Instafluff, did I do your dance right? Is this what you do? I think this is what you do when I've followed, when you get a follow or a raid. I'm not sure I did it exactly right. Let's call it a day. Can't do that, Mike. And the subscribers are all down to you. Thank you very much for those. Thank you so much. I will have to arrange to get you some stickers somehow. Yeah, I didn't know it was still there since you were looking right to see the chat. Yeah. See, when I do this now, I presume I'm looking past the camera and over the camera. But now it feels too high. It needs to be here, which is right in the middle of my monitor. Yeah, it was awesome. Thank you so much. Raids are so cool. Very uplifting. Chris, thank you for the subscriptions. Thank you so much. I think, is it 15 subscribers you've got to get or something? Is it 10 or 15? I can't remember. It's the continuation. Lol. Yay, it's close. Before I can get another emote. if you watch my first 8 or 9, 10 streams, it was all about the Magic Mirror project thing, which we didn't complete. Which, in fact, let's. It's not actually turned on, but I can turn it on. The Magic Mirror is sitting just. It's not a good idea to do this live on stream. The Magic Mirror is just sitting just there. So we need to get back on that and get that fixed. But I want to spend a little bit of time just working some things out on it, particularly how to write plugins for it on the Magic Mirror software. Do it live! Well, I will do it live, but I felt the Magic Mirror project was going on too long and I needed to do some other stuff. I didn't want my stream to just become about the Magic Mirror. And I also felt... Yeah, I did Ancient Coder, and I will complete it. It will happen. I promise. It will happen. I just felt that the stream was getting a bit... I didn't want it to be all about the Magic Mirror, and I felt like people thought I was writing a whole Magic Mirror system when I wasn't. It was just the calendar thing. So I thought to step away from it a little bit and then come back to it. I hope that makes sense. I hope you all understand. And then... Yeah, I know, I've got to keep it interesting for myself as well. Episode 299, complete Magic Mirror. Maybe that's true. Maybe. I can take that off now, can't I? Unless you want me to boot it up and see so you can see it boot, but it's not that exciting really. You've all seen it on stream. I moved it from downstairs upstairs because I rearranged the room it was in. Sweepstake. A sweepstake for whether I finish it before episode 299. Absolutely nothing, Mr. Demon Wolf. So far. No, it's free. And at the moment, I think it's free probably because I'm not doing a lot of calls on it, and it's in preview, so it's not actually released. It's in the Labs. That's easy for me to say. LabsCognitiveMicrosoft.com, or for which episode it will be completed. Let's just keep it to it will be completed this year. Link, yeah, absolutely. Incoming. This isn't PowerShell. I did think that. I thought LS, and then I looked again and thought, is it exclamation colon SO? But yeah, this isn't PowerShell now. You see, you can tell I've sat up so I can read that screen more. Anyway. Wow, this stream's just gone completely crazy. PowerShell, yeah, PowerShell's nice. I do like PowerShell. Let's get rid of that. Don't need that on there. Yeah, I did it the other day. Whose stream was that on? I can't remember. I did the same thing. I think mine was DIR. So yeah. So we were going to try and. I've lost the link now, haven't I? I've closed the window. No, it's there. It's hiding. We were going to try and do this. We want to hide the... So when the link... Because at the moment, when this is running... Oh, you'll get the Johnny 5 is alive now. So if we do this...
Number 5.
And now you should all be hearing that.
Alive.
So that's that, and then... Right, guys, I need your help. I've been trying to find a regex that will cover all permutations of a URL, because at the moment mine only recognises HTTPS. So I'll recognise that, but if I do that, it doesn't. And I've tried all sorts and I can't get it working. Regex is not a strong point of mine. Make one for each case first. Alright, okay. Whoa. Why did Instafluff get deleted? Oh. Instafluff, thank you. We can try it. Should we try it? Should we do it on stream? Do it live, as Robert would say. It's fine. I've allowed it. Okay, there's that. Ooh, we have the space. Too soon, too soon. It wasn't running. What's test URL? I can't remember what I was doing. Oh. Now, Mr. Demon Wolf, it did work, because if you look here, it just printed out the test in console. It doesn't look friendly for that, so it's matched it wrong now. Huh. See, it only likes it on the HTTP. I wonder whether it's the service. Yes, I am from very near Liverpool. I live over the water from Liverpool. I live in the Wirral. Oh, Chris Jones has come up with one now. They're coming thick and fatches. The chat scrolled when I was trying to copy it. Okay, so there's that. There's that. Wow, no, another message deleted. What? Stop deleting his messages. You could try this one. Alright, cool, nice. Oh, dang it. Oh, man. So, Chris's covers www, HTTPS, HTTP. What's removing the message? I think it must be Autobot. Or one of them. Streambot or Streamlabs. Because I've got quite a few. It's either, it's not my bot, it will be Stream Elements or the Twitch Autobot. I can't remember the place that Chris is in now. Yeah, it looks like a paste that Chris is in, so let's give that a go. Oh, I did. Thanks, Chris. So, if we now try Mods Are Scary. Not sure what you just linked to, but it doesn't look friendly. Is it? What's it passing along? Bad request. Thanks for the link. It appears to be, yeah. So it's. See, that's passed as well. Yeah, maybe you're right, Mr. Demon Wolf. Developer's Garage. You just give me one. The mod doesn't like these regexes, does it at all? What was I going to say? If anyone wants to post a JPEG in there, don't be too bad. It should identify JPEGs as well. No, that. Remove the regex. Let's get that in there. I suppose, should I be keeping these? It wasn't running. Whoever Mr. Demon Wolf. Ooh, I just killed it to change the Reddit. Let's run it first. Developer Garage. Okay, now it's running. Now you can post your links. Let's see what it does. Test this out with me. Did it not work? Did it not even see it? Oh, not sure what you just linked, but it doesn't look family friendly. I'm not sure what you just linked, but it doesn't look family friendly. Not sure what it doesn't look. Yeah, I've got work to do on this, haven't I? It does not like your profile picture, Mr. Demon Wolf. Oh no. I mean, I am using a beta service to do this, so it could possibly bring up false positives, I guess. I'm getting internal server errors and bad requests. Too heckin' cute band, yeah. Wow. So it didn't like the dog. I mean, this is not like C# Fritz's one. It doesn't tell you what's in the picture. It just looks at it and says yay or nay. Wow. Let's just want to try something. Was this? Yeah, that's the happy dog, isn't it? So if we grab that link, stick it in there. Right, who wants to run the test command? Test URL, ping test URL. Or I could do it, I guess. Oh, Mr. Demon was gone for it. Come on! Wow. That's just died. What the hell happened to that? Okay. Bot is running. It says it's joined. It should be saying hello as well. Maybe we're taking that code out. Oh, there you go. One or more errors. Internal server error. It's not going to be something silly like the URL's got too many. I think... Oh, I don't know if that's still working. I had another little... I have no idea what state this is in. I was just going to try it. Oh, look at that. Interesting. Maybe this URL preview isn't as good as I thought it was. Maybe it's buggy. No, it just doesn't like some types of URLs. This is what we're playing around with it and testing it. This is what I found. Because if I put in Google in there, I would imagine, assuming my keys are valid and stuff in this, because I can't remember if the keys are valid, it will probably work. Yeah. Because it's come back with web page true, Google. I don't know, it's come back with the Google Doodle for some reason. So it does weird things with certain URLs. So I'm pretty sure if we put the did I close Visual Studio? No, I didn't. If we put the, because this is my play around app, just to getting used to see how the API worked, and we get this. Wow, need to take run, don't I? Yeah, it's crashed again. So I think it doesn't like nested or URLs with more than one. It doesn't like this, the nested. I could prove that by uploading Happy Dog. Let's just see. Trying to understand how this works. Save image. You just love it when a dialogue just pops up on screen and you don't really think it through and you're streaming. Never mind. Let's get that on there. Right. Bear with me while I get this onto a web server. I do use OneDrive. I really like OneDrive. Is this bad or good? I don't know. I have everything in OneDrive. I do pay for 365. To get onto this server, and we'll stick it in. Whatever the home plan is now. E3. I don't think I have E3. To be honest with you, they change the plan names that often. I've lost track. Yeah, you see, if I copy that. Let's get this image. I'm trying to do it one level deep. There you go, let's get Happy Dog. Okay, Rambling Geek. It's like $20 a month with full Office apps, 100 gig mailbox and 1 terabyte. Unlimited for more than... Yeah, I think I pay £7 a month, and that's 1 terabyte, OneDrive, 25 gig or 50 gig mailbox, and then I've just done a load of shared mailboxes for other things. Yeah, I have the most basic plan. Yeah. There you go, Happy Dog. Right, 1 level deep. Let's see if this makes any difference. I've got a double space there as well, right? Wow. Yeah, why is that a problem? Alright, so you started with that and then you moved up. I've got a clicking on my left hand side and I don't know if it's the music or not. Hold on a second. It was the music. Don't you need to rebuild as well? Do I? I thought you could just always... I thought .NET Run was just always run it. Am I wrong? Run doesn't build. Ooh. Still got the same error though. I don't think so. I'm confused now, Mike Jolly. So does it matter or does it not matter? I don't know. Is this going to be something silly like it needs a trailing slash or something? Yeah, because I would imagine with Visual Studio, you don't think it matters. I would have thought Visual Studio, because you got the play button, it does the whole build run thing. But I'm not sure. .NET Core on the command line. You need to .NET build. Oh, right, okay. Well, there you go. I've learned something. So I've just changed that just to my site. Turn, spelt wrong. And I think this is going to work now. Yeah. Yeah, now you're saying it makes sense. Yeah. You've never actually compiled the DLL, have you? To be ran. Be right back. No problem, Chris. What was the actual name again? Was it just Happy Dog or Happy_Dog? Now I've seen this identify a JPEG, so I know it works, but it's got weird conditions. No. Interesting. I'm beginning to think I can't use this URL. It's not reliable. Not URL. This preview URL. It's not reliable enough. Developers Garage, thank you very much for joining. Yeah, you go and look after those kiddies. Family before anything else. Awesome. Thanks for joining. Have a good night. Have a good weekend. See you next time. The URL preview takes a URL query parameter and returns a JSON response with the name of the target source, brief description, and a link to an image to display in a preview. Oh, that's why it returns the URL. Oh, it sends a preview of the site. I didn't realise that. Huh. The response also includes is family friendly, flag that indicates whether the URL contains. Okay. So this is our response. You're very welcome, and I think that was all down to Mike Jolly's generosity. And I need to do, which I haven't done annoyingly, but I need to do credits like Mike has on his stream because I thought that was a really good idea. But I haven't done it yet, so we're not going to see that this stream, unfortunately, which would have been an awesome stream to do it on. Someone asked about the server subscription type determine the number of queries per second. QPS. Well, there's a new abbreviation. QPS, queries per second, that you can make. Make sure your application includes logic to stay within your quota.
Knotian is now following.
Knotian, thank you so much for the follow. It doesn't say anything about the type of URL that can be passed in. So it doesn't make me think it's limited in any way. I mean, the only difference between their code and my code is I put it in an object, so I put the JSON to an object so I can actually print it out and test for the is friendly. This is frustrating. Yeah, they've got no. No. I can't do that because I need to pass the. I can't do that on stream. I was just thinking of using what's it called? Postman. What is it? Oh, I'd have to put my keys in. I don't know if I can hide them. One hour. URL preview endpoint. Illegal adult privacy content blocked with code 400. For illegal adult content below his behavior status tokens 200 and his family friendly flag is set. Safe set strict, moderate, off. I didn't realise you had control over. Not required, default to strict. Oh, I really want to use this because it looks really good. But if it doesn't work reliably, then... Doesn't return 500, does it now? 400. What was the last link I put in there? If anyone sees anything wrong with my code, shout out. I don't profess to be an expert in any of this stuff. So if you see something glaringly wrong or inconsistent, just let me know. I will not be offended. This is a happy, safe place. Back again. Hello, Chris. Welcome back again. I should have took that opportunity to go and get a drink, I think. I don't understand why it doesn't like that. Oh. No, they pass in. Let's print out the query string, because maybe the query string is getting malformed somehow. I don't know how. How the hell did I copy that? Probably didn't need to do that, but hey, I did. You didn't miss much, Chris. You just missed me reading the documentation for this preview URL on Microsoft site, trying to understand why some of these links don't work. Having a good think. Crash. Boo. I'm going to do the old copy paste. Too many things open. Oh, was that all I did? Wow. Sorry, I've stopped talking, I do apologise. Gone into what am I doing mode. Chat room's gone quiet as well. How are you, Chris? How's your week been? Files. Well, hang on, I might not be able to do that. Not bad, thanks. Awesome. I'm gonna put my try right at the start. Oh, sure, let's put it up here. Why not? Bit of a blur. Busy week. Yeah, I've had a very busy week. Alright, cool. Thanks. Holy crowly moly. That's a hell of a link. Is this... So that hasn't copied, has it? Was it not meant to do that, Chris? I don't like the way that opens up in there. Whoa. Oh, there you go. So does... I mean, not that people are going to do that, but... Oh, it does get it. Sweet. Thank you. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so let's get that into the... I need to make the bot say hello in the channel, don't I? I'm sure he was doing that. Maybe I've taken it out by mistake. See, what's it doing? Why is it... Have I totally mangled the code up on this? So what am I doing? Let's have a look at what I'm doing. Right. Can you remove the at the pattern variable? Sure. Is that... Oh. That... Doesn't the at account for the escape characters? It does it for you, basically. Isn't that what that's doing from memory? So I don't have to go through and put all the escape characters in. Makes a string literal. Oh, yeah. I always forget how this is it that way. I wonder if it was making it more than it needed. Possibly. Yeah. Okay. So I've got basically if it's a match, we should fall in this each time, even before. Oh. So I've got my URL, so it's doing a check and this returns true or false. So it passes it in here and it says if it's family, return true, false. If there's an exception, dump it out to the console and return false because there was an exception. So we don't know what state it was in. Let's just see if it hits that on the because it could be the regexes are working and it's the chat, it's the URL preview which doesn't like the fact I'm passing in just the let's see if I can get Postman configured. If we can test this in Postman, we can see what the API is doing. It's only time. Did you hear the story about the green screen, the Elgato green screen, Chris, or anybody else for that matter? I'm having a right nightmare trying to buy one of those. I'm just going to bring this over here. I'll try to open the secrets. Where does the token go? It's not that exciting, really. I saw your tweet about it. Right, yeah, so 2 weeks ago, Robert and Chris, I ordered Elgato green screen. And Adam said it would be delivered today. And like a good little boy, I waited and waited. And then this morning I had an email saying it's not coming today. So after waiting for 2 weeks and no money being removed from my account, it hasn't come. So I ordered one from another company. Chris will know this company, Scan, today, and they said they could deliver it tomorrow. I was going to get it delivered to a shop or a store, and then they emailed me and said, no, we can't deliver it there, it's too big. So then I said, okay, deliver to my work, and they said, okay, but we can't deliver it till Tuesday. But they've taken the money. So, right pain in the bum getting the green screen, getting an Elgato green screen ordered. Never used them, but you heard them. Yeah. It's not their fault, to be fair, but it is a big bulky item. It's just frustrating because I've been waiting for it for 2 weeks, and we all know what it's like when you bought something for not a lot of money, but not a little amount of money either. You want your new toy to play with. Oh, my Space Invaders shirt. Insta. Yeah. I'm of that generation, you see. I am that old. Right, let's find out where it wants this token. Yeah, you definitely don't look that old, though. I think I do. Where do I put the token? Oh. Bear with, I'll be back in a second, just try and get this working. That's the... Oh man. Age is just a number, it is. Yeah, that's... I was trying to check what it needed. I know it needs a token and I've put it in there, but is that what we're using? No, that can't be right. Oh, I'm getting confused. I'm thinking about the Twitch one. I don't need much for this. Okay, I think I'm good to come back. Let's close. Yeah, close them. Oh, bugger. Oh man. It closed the wrong one. Grr. Doesn't matter anyway, I could always recycle the keys. Do, 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 do. Losing my mind. Right, okay, so there's that. There's that. There's that. Right, okay. Now, let's try that. Let's get this over here. Let's see what this does. Let's do some experimenting. Access denied due to a missing subscription key. I did. Didn't I? No. It's lost it again. I will get this working. I will, I promise. There's that. I was thinking as well, as another emote, a magic mirror emote. What do we think of that? Is that a good idea or a bad idea? Something's happening. Sounds cool. Oh, look at that. Oh. Service temporary unavailable. Can I zoom in on this? Can you guys see that? Ooh. I don't think I was thinking about as big as a brand, Robert, if I'm honest. I was just thinking more of a fun. But yeah, it's a valid point. Yeah, there we go. Was that just a one-off, or did it not like something? Real One of Twitch, stay on brand. Make it like your brand. Well, I think my brand's going to be all about 80s stuff, isn't it? You know, Space Invaders, Short Circuit. My idea for the bot as well is if you said a line out the film, the Johnny 5 bot would reply back with a line from the film. I don't know whether that's a good idea or a bad idea, but it's an idea. This does not want to work. I'll recycle the key. I'm going to show the key. Although I'm pretty sure I've already shown the key for this. Did I copy it wrong? No. So, if I jump into here, wow, made a mess of that, and jump over to here, and change the URL just to that. You've all got me doing .NET build now. .NET run. That's worked. I can't see the difference. That has to be the service, surely. All I've done is change the URL. This API doesn't work properly. Happy dog dot JPEG. The requested URL could not be reached. Did I put the right one in? Fog. I did put the right one in. And it can be reached. What do we reckon, chat room? Do we think this API is a bit broke? I wonder. I mean, this would be weird, but are you streaming tomorrow night, Robert? I will be there. You never know. I might do a pop-up stream tomorrow night. Just for the fun. Right, okay, I'm taking the underscore out. Let's see what that does. Why? Does it not like JPEGs? I'm sure I've seen it work with a JPEG though. Gonna sneeze. Excuse me. Oh, why did I type Google into Google? Cats. Images. To break the internet, Inception, Google into Google. Wow, how hard is it to get a link to just a JPEG? Cats, links, JPEG. Images. Oh God, rabbit hole. Don't you want any links to any other JPEGs or PNGs or anything? Because apparently finding them on the internet is really difficult. Copy image address. What's that give me? Maybe it doesn't like JPEGs. Maybe I just thought I seen it work with a JPEG. I don't even know whether that actually works. I never intended to actually do this on stream, but as in all this troubleshooting, I actually thought it was working. Do you need HTTP encode to the URL? I don't know, Mike. I was going from their example of you just pass in the URL. Oh, I see what you mean. You're saying encode the URL because it's got an image at the end of it. Okay, so the regex should be okay. I just did a noddy little example. .NET Fiddle. Yeah, I think the regex is okay, Chris. I think it's the way this code. The question, the URL you're passing might be messing with its mind. But the question I'm passing on the search is from the official API. This is how they do it in theirs. See, so when they build, let's zoom in. When they build it up their string, they put it in. Oh, did it? Oh, I didn't spot that. PNG one or the one before it? Because I tried PNG thinking it might not like the. I mean, if I do this, see if I take this out, oh man, why is that so hard? If I take this out, I expect that to work. And it did. I just don't think it likes nested blah de blah de blah de blah. Did it? Okay. I could have swore. Maybe I'm getting mixed up. Maybe the JPEG. Because they don't actually say you can pass in a graphic. Doubting myself now. Because I thought I'd saw it with a JPEG. Or test it with a JPEG or something. Yeah, they don't actually. Oh, you know, it does a brief description. Oh, a link to an image. Maybe I've misread it to. Misunderstood it. So maybe then this doesn't actually question mark to start the query. Yes, yes, and the ampersand for additional query problems. Yes. It's not for images. Yeah, I think I am. It's just literally links, isn't it? Yeah, I agree. Mushroom. Wow. Twitter's exploded on my phone. I didn't see that. Hey, thanks for the follow. Mushroom. I'm terrible at pronouncing people's names. I am so sorry.
Mushroom is now following.
Codebase Alpha, are you here? I did not see you were here. Sorry, getting distracted by Twitter then. I am going to take... Wow. Okay, I'm going to take... I didn't realise we've been streaming for 2 hours. I'm going to take a 5-minute break to grab a drink, and I will be back. Have fun in the chat room. I'll be back in 5. I'm back! Feel like I scare people when I do that. The way I've got my Stream Deck set up, I have to go to this view because it turns the mic back on for me automatically, and then I can go back to that one. I have to change that. Instafluff, thank you for sticking around on my. I don't know whether you know Instafluff. I'm not a professional and coder. This is purely a. I see myself as a hobbyist programmer. Thank you, Drawing Something 108. So this is just me seeing what's out there and having a go. Hey, Chris Jones. Look at those bots. Look at those Johnny Fives. That's cool. Yay, thank you. So if I ever seem like I don't know what I'm doing, it's because I don't know what I'm doing. More coders is great. Yeah. It's something I've always wanted to do but never quite got into it. That's how all professional coders start. Yeah. I mean, I've always done some kind of coding back, C64 and Spectrum and Visual Basic and Quick Basic. There was even something called GW Basic in there at one point. Yeah, we all start somewhere. Exactly, yeah. Definitely. My problem is, which I think I said on last stream as well, is I do it in starts and fits. I don't do it consistently, so I forget a lot of the things I learn. And obviously, you go away and this whole Java thing has happened, and there's NPM and all that kind of stuff. So I'm trying to learn all that, and then on top of that, I try and do .NET Core. Maybe I take too much on. Maybe I should just have one discipline, learn that first, then move on. You forgot what you figured out last week. I know, it's bad, isn't it? But yeah, it's fun. And then this whole streaming thing is, I think I mentioned this a while back, is this whole streaming thing is what I wished for when I was a kid, trying to learn to program. That opportunity to sit down with other people who knew a little bit more than me, or a lot more than me, and could help me and tell me where I was going wrong and explain things to me. And that's what this has turned into for me. And the community have been so welcoming, so warm, and so patient. It's awesome. It's absolutely awesome. And I'm so appreciative of it all. It's really good. And it's encouraging as well. It makes you want to keep on doing it. Be the you that previous you wish they had. Yeah. That's another way of saying grow, be better. Yeah, I like that as well. I was the generation learning to code just before the likes of YouTube burst into the scenes. Yeah, are we ready for story time? I don't know if this is an interesting story or not. Let's go to that. I don't know which one's better. Oh, that's no good, is it? I haven't got just me. We'll just go to the insert. So, back in the day, I used to work in a local computer store. It sold Commodore 64s and Amigas, and those of you who will remember the Star Dot Matrix printers, they were sold in this store, and my parents at the time bought me a Commodore 64 with a Starjet printer, or a Star printer, Dot Matrix, and it came with a printer driver that was on cassette tape, and it didn't work, and I took it back to the shop, and the owner of the shop just told me that there's a problem with the cassette. He was aware of it. He was speaking to the manufacturers. So I went back home, promptly loaded the Commodore 64 basic script up, had a look at it, figured out what the problem was, and fixed it, and saved it back to the tape, took it back to the shop, told them I fixed it. He then tried it in the shop with me there. It worked. He was made up and gave me a job, and that was my first job in IT, I suppose, selling Commodore 64s and helping people. So that was a story time. You had the internet, Chris, but I don't think Stack Overflow existed. Probably didn't. I think it's only about 10, 11 years old, Stack Overflow. You just didn't know it. I used to get PHP scripts and host scripts then try and modify it. Yeah. I learn by looking at examples and then by doing, rather than more than reading. So yeah, I'm taking that off because the green screen's not working too nice, or the lighting's broke or something. So yeah, that was a little story time. So yeah, it looks like I've misunderstood, as Mushroom said. It doesn't do JPEGs. So if anyone passes a JPEG into it, it will fart. That's like, I haven't got a fart command like Clarkio. Okay, so that's that. So the only other thing I was going to try and do quickly, because I think my streams go on too long, so I don't want to be another epic 3-4 hour stream. I'm trying to cut them back a little bit. Which one's that one? I want the other one. Okay, so maybe just check if the end of the URL ends in JPEG and return cannot identify picture message. Yeah, absolutely. Or do that initially and then maybe pass it off to something that can look at the URL a little bit like C# Fritz does. He gets it to look at the URL and see what's in it, doesn't he? At the image and see what's in it. Yes, exactly, Robert. That's a good MVP. Most viable product. Absolutely. Yes. Make it work, then make it good. Exactly. So I'm never going to find that. Let's close from here. Cats, and more cats. Build the wheel. We don't need that. I'll do that off stream. That's boring and difficult to do on stream anyway. Right, so there's a clear message command, apparently. So if I just stop the bot a second, take this breakpoint off, and he is, isn't he? He's a very wise man. Okay, so I have no idea whether this library has this command in, but let's go and try and find out. Clear message. Is it going to be more? I'm just looking to see what I've got. It's all the grey hair and my beard's giving me the wisdom, that's all. Lol. So does that mean you can't shave your beard off because the wisdom would go, will it? Or have you trimmed it yet? Username, room, noise, subscriber, ID, emote replaced, color, hex, color, cheer badge, channel, bot name, bits in dollars, bits, badges. So it's not under there. So what is it on here? Delete. Every time it gets cold again. So you're literally keeping your beard to keep warm. I tried to grow a beard about a year ago or so, and for some reason it didn't grow over my chin. My chin was blank and I didn't like it. Well, not blank, but not as hairy as the rest of me. What do we have under here? Do you know what I should be doing? Let's go to Twitch lib. Yeah. Wow, why is this in light mode? What's going on? Make it dark. Go dark. Wow, that's broke. Big beards are all in fashion these days. They are, aren't they? Oh, that was good. Now it's gone dark. No. Change the colour and clear chat. So apparently we can do it with this. Twitch lib client. No, I haven't. But that's something I'm willing to give a go. Mushroom. No, I haven't tried it yet. But maybe that's something we could do on another stream, which I might do one tomorrow night because I've got nothing on unexpectedly. So I could do another stream, but not before watching and joining in on Robert Table's stream. So is it eChat? I'm trying to work out where this command would live. Message. Clone. Is there a link to full documentation for this thing? And calls, click here. Get over subs. Pub sub. Clear chat. Send message. I can't find where this is. Client or message received. Timeout user. Oh, so it might be. Clear chat. There you go. And then what is it? Giving me options. Join channel. Sounds good. String channel. Is that going to clear the whole chat though? Whereas I just want to do it for one user. And it's not. I think that's going to clear the whole chat room. Because then if I just put in there and run that, it would actually clear the whole chat. So we don't have these. One way to find out, yeah. You do realise it will clear the chat. Do it live. So what's the single message removal on a channel? This is triggered by /delete target message ID on IRC. Login message target. But I can't pass the login name in, can I? Which I would have to grab from the chat anyway. What's happened down here? Let's get rid of that. There you go, let's fix that. Join channel, and we've got the channel string. Who wants to clear the chat room? All you gotta do is put a dodgy link in. No one wants to do it? Oh, wait, like that one. Try it without the HT. Should we just try oh, boom. But wow, what happened there then? Prevented by better TTV. What the hell's that? See, Chris has got more power because he's a modder. What is... You put a foot... It shouldn't matter, should it? Better Twitch TV. Chrome extension. Where's the Chrome extension? That must be on the client, mustn't it? Rather than anything to do with what we're doing. On the client, yeah. If you have BT... So Chris, have you got that installed then? Do I have it? Is it running on my machine? Because it was executed from my machine. I don't understand how that links. Can you see the cogs turning? I don't understand where that's coming from. And I don't think I've got it installed on my Chrome, and I don't know why that would matter. So many questions. Ooh, that's gone a bit funky. The clear command is a Twitch command feature that the broadcaster and mod can use and has nothing to do with better TTV. When a clear is used, it clears the entire chat of its contents. Because of this, better TTV will not clear the chat on your end when the clear is used. Hence, the chat was cleared by a moderator, prevented by. It was cleared for all users without better TV. However, the better TV feature prevented the clear from happening. So, if I type in /clear, you ready? The chat room might get cleared if I do this. Let's see what happens. No, it's doing it for me as well. So the clear command doesn't do what we think the clear command is meant to do. It doesn't clear the chat. Wow. Yeah, so can I, Mushroom. Twitch lib. Clear message example. This plugin does some weird stuff. Whisper. Yeah, that's right. So it does clear the chat, but the Chrome extension breaks the functionality. It clears it for people who don't have FFZ or BBTV. But InstaFluff, where does FFZ or BBTV come from? Because I don't think I've got either of those things installed, because I don't know what they are. So are they installed by default by something, or? It's the browser extension. Might be, yeah. I don't know. I don't have that many extensions installed though. Pretty much what I've, well, no, what I've got installed is what you can see up here. Strange. I'm confused by this. None of these are clearing the chat room, are they? Chat, send message. Follow, reset, channel data, oops, cooldown, is mod, contains. What's comment driver? Well, this is intriguing because the actual docs themselves say helper methods. Change chat colour and clear chat. But I can't see how we can clear the chat. Ooh, what just happened then? Oh, Mushroom posted a link. Damn it. Help Twitch article commands. Alright, okay. Users Modge. Twitch docs, yeah. Got them up on stream. Ignore. Disconnect. Oh geez. Search for clear. Oh. It's opened in this silly browser. Hang on a second. That Streamlabs install with OBS. There you go, usage clear. The command below will allow broadcast and chat managers to completely wipe the previous chat history clear. Note, users with IRC or browser resonance may not see the chat wiped due to the history of saving features logging. Ah! So I wonder if I did that on the Twitch website itself. It's new. Why do you think it's new, guy? Drawing something 108. Right, are we ready for the chat to get clear? I'm going to try it on the Twitch website itself. Yeah, I guess you're using an unofficial Twitch client. Yeah, I think what it is in OBS and Stream Elements. I've got the plugin. So I was trying it in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try it in here instead. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom! Did it go for you guys? Because it went for me. Or not? Lol. Did it work? Boom. Still there for you? Oh, wow, really? No, it cleared it on my Twitch. But that's the extension on my end. Ah, so you got the extension. It worked. Ah, right, okay. So it's whether totally works. It's whether my bot's got the same access. Is that the right word to use? However, all I want to do is one user. I'm just trying to stop a link. So if someone posts a link, I want to check it, then display it if it's valid or allowed. If it's not allowed, I don't want to display it at all. So I'm trying to grab control of when a link appears in the chat. So it's almost like when someone puts the link in the chat, I've got to grab it, remove it, check it, and if it's allowed, put it back or repost it. And I don't know whether that's possible. And I'm sure, I can't remember, Chris and I looked at this on last stream or the stream before, but I can't remember whether that was about links or whether it was about the bots, whether I could then post bots or emotes, I should say, not bots, sorry, emotes. Node.js. What do you mean? What about? How do you mean? I don't follow what you. It appears as link, but it's in a name. Oh, you mean split it up? Is that what you mean? Sorry. Wyattl? Is that how you pronounce your name? Sorry. Do apologise. If you write node.js, Twitch thinks it's a link. Yes, it does. Oh, I see what you're getting at. Yeah, Chris. I don't know whether I'm conflating two different issues in my head. I can't remember. I mean, it is all on video, so I could go back and watch it, but yeah, that's not going to happen. Interesting. So does anyone know whether we can grab links? Probably some more refining for the regex URL. Yeah, I need to. But the problem is, if I type, if that was nefarious, it's just tried to clear it. If that was nefarious, it's already in the chat for people to click on. So what you want to happen ideally is for it to go into chat or be posted and then removed straight away, checked and then reposted. Is that making sense? Are you actually trying to send me something there, Chris, or are you trying to make an example of something? I think so. Yes, you think so. I'm making sense. I just don't know whether we're given control over what am I logging into here, Chris? Oh, I thought you give me a link. Okay. Yes, it does. Oops. That's okay. Should we take that clear command out the bot? Because it's currently clearing every time. It doesn't like a link. See? I don't know whether you can... Twitch lib regex. That's how it's recognizing links at the moment. Let's see what that does. No, yours is not a link. I mean, for things like Node.js and stuff, we could have a whitelist of things allowed, and then we could add commands where mods could add things in to the whitelist, I mean. And I guess we could also have a blacklist as well, if we're going to go to that. Remove a single message from. How can I, as a mod... Oh, it's not a programming one, is it? Oh, what I mean, HTTP isn't found, but Yeah, we're having problems with the regex at the moment, and also the bot's not running at the moment. Who is lookup? That could get expensive, couldn't it? Maybe, in terms of round trip time. Mr. Demon Wolf, send what command? The clear command. So what we could do is, if someone posts a link, we could time them out, which is it's not ideal, but we could time them out, check the link, and then post it again. So just reading the timeout. Wow, that went small. This command allows you to temporarily ban someone from the chat for 10 minutes by default. See, the problem with the timeout, you're going to time them out completely. You don't necessarily want to do that. You do delete message ID. Okay, that could work. So in that case then, can we... So if I were to do it, to put it here... doesn't really matter. Send message. And then we just need to find out a way of appending the message ID on. No idea where that's going to be kept. User ID? It's given in the logs. The idea currently, Mushroom, is to just repost the link once it's deemed it's saved. Message ID ABC. Yeah, but I'm trying to see how I can pull that out of the how I can get the message ID from the library, the Twitch library. Do you think it's ID by any chance? Oh, it said I can't. If only your life was that straightforward. It wouldn't let me do it because I'm the streamer. Can someone try posting a link in and see what happens, please? Ooh, that seemed to work. Nice, Mr. Demon Wolf. It didn't do it for the AK Did do it for that. It worked, yeah. Awesome. Nice. Awesome. Oh, that's progress, isn't it?
Nice software.
Ah, yeah, you're a mod, Robert, and so is Chris. So you're kind of trusted. Yeah, you had to got rid of it. So now, if you post a link, easy clap, Mr. Demon. What do you mean by that? Do you mean a slow clap? Oh, rip. I don't know. Ancient Coda. Kind of cool, to be honest. Okay. Robert or Chris, if you're still here, do you want to post a naughty one? Probably, but I won't. Just removes the message. Yeah, that works well. Thank you. Pair programming are its best. You figured it out and I figured the library out. Test. So are you just testing that you can still post? Pardon? I know you won't. Chatting in IRC client. Cool. Shall we call this the end of tonight's raid, as it's been going for, what, nearly 3 hours? Tonight's raid? Oh, I was thinking about raiding someone. It's been a long week, boys and girls. It's been a long week. Is there anyone to raid? Has anyone got any suggestions? Because I have no idea who's actually on, if anyone. Nay, there's no one on. Who is he? Well, we'll raid James then. Oh, is it James or Aaron? 2 for Aaron, if that's how you pronounce his name. Adron. Thank you all for joining me tonight. Thank you for all the help. Draw something 108 is now. Thank you for the follow.
Something 108 is now following.
I think I'll do James because I think he raided me last week, right at the end of my stream. Yeah, you're welcome, Insta stuff. Thank you for your raid before. That was amazing. So much fun. Yeah, sure. Yeah, good night, Insta Fluff. Thanks, Robert. Awesome. Shall we? We always end the stream with the little man. Where is he? Let's find him.
That's all, folks. Thanks for watching.
That's my little boy. Okay, so where's the raid button gone? Okay. Thank you all. See you soon. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.
Uh-oh, we got some Duke Donut Bot hypes. We got some raid. Look out, everybody. Oh, snap. Oh, my goodness. Raiding coming from the Rambling Geek. Wow, 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 wow. Raid party coming in.
That I crushed it from 2013 to present.
Everyone bring out the mooches. Mooch blocking. Don't let them come in. Boom.